Welcome to this session on remove filters. In this video, we'll understand how remove filters works and how it helps control filter behavior inside the calculations. Understanding this function is extremely important when working with complex reports where slicers and filters affect results unexpectedly. The remove filter function in DAX is used to clear filters from specific columns or even the entire tables. It allows calculations to ignore filters applied through slicers, visuals, or report level filters. This function is commonly used in Power BI analysis services and Power Pivot when you want values to remain constant regardless of user selections. Remove filters is especially useful when you want to calculate total benchmarks or reference values. For example, if you want to calculate total sales ignoring all filters, remove filters help you do that. The remove filters work inside the calculate. When used, it clears filters applied by slicers, visuals, or report interactions. This ensures that a calculation always returns the same result regardless of user selections. It is especially useful when calculating total sales, overall averages, fixed benchmarks, perfect percentage, or totals. This slide explains the concept of filter contests. Filters can come from rows and columns, individual slicers, or page or report filters. Remove filters clears this filter so that calculations are performed on the complete data set instead of the filter view. Technically, remove filters works by modifying the filter context inside the calculate. It removes any existing filters from the specific columns or tables before evaluating the expression. This ensures that calculations are not affected by user selections or visual level filters. It is commonly used in KPIs, ratios, and performance comparison measures. To summarize, remove filters clear filters from columns or tables. It is used inside the calculate. It ignores the slicers and visual filters, ideal for totals, benchmarks, and comparisons. If you want full control over your calculations and want to ignore the current filter context, remove filters is the right tool.
So now we'll see how the filters can be used practically. So here I have taken the product name and the total sales and all sales that we had earlier calculated the measures for. And here's like a product category that we have taken. You can see that it has the same value, right? So to create the remove filters, we will create a new measure into our data and we'll name it as sales amount rf category. Remove filter category is equal to calculate sum of sales amount comma remove filters sales should be product name. Okay, and then we'll press enter. Now you can see we already have this. Okay, so basically here both of them are kind of similar, but here again. Okay, so once we see all sales, it remains the same amount, right? But even if I'm clicking on the accessories, it is giving me the value and it is changing. Like, it is giving me this value for the casual wear. Okay, so sales amount, it is just only showing it for this one. Okay, otherwise, it is going to be a same one. So this is what basically the remove filter, it works into this way. Okay, so hope you guys have understood this video. Thanks for